package my friend's order with me. First, we have a clear slime with a cake charm. Asthma break. I love this green slime. It's so smooth. This is my favorite one, taro boba.